Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you on how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. So of course guys, you need to go to your Shopify dashboard and then click settings and then domains. And then there guys, you just need to connect it to existing domain. So there guys, you need to enter your domain name like yourstore.com and then click next. So here guys, the Shopify will show you the DNS records you need to set up. So here, and then an A record pointing to Shopify's IP address and a CNAME record for www. So now guys, you just need to go to your namecheap.com and then there guys, you can click the domain list. Then you can manage beside your domain. So you need to open the DNS tab guys in the namecheap.com. So here's what you'll do guys. You can edit or add an A record with a value 23.227.36.65. So this is a Shopify's IP. And then here, edit or add a CNAME record for www pointing to shops.myshopify.com. And then here guys, you need to go back to your Shopify and then click verify connection. So maybe it may take a few minutes or up to a few hours for the domain to fully connect. And then once verified guys, you can set it up your primary domain so customers always see your custom URL instead of the default Shopify one. And that's it guys, your Namecheap domain is now successfully connected to your Shopify. So if this video helped you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.